To set up Fingerprint on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down and then we'll be able to find the biometrics and password. If you enter this, you'll be able to find Fingerprint ID. Also, before we're gonna click on Fingerprint ID, you should set up a password. So make sure that you have screen lock password, otherwise you won't be able to enroll your fingerprint. Now, when it's ready, click on this icon, unlock your device using your current password, and then give permissions for Fingerprint ID to unlock the device. Select the Add button, and then you'll be able to touch your finger into this area right here from multiple different angles until your fingerprint is fully scanned. Just make sure that you do it from all angles until this option is complete. Then we can click on OK and our fingerprint is set up. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.